Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the second lecture related to the catalyst and catalysis. So in this lecture we will discuss about the property of catalyst. So what will be the property of a catalyst? The catalyst decrease the activation energy. We have already discussed this one. Suppose this is the activation energy without catalyst and this is the activation energy with catalyst. So it decreased the activation energy. Without catalyst, activation energy was 100. Suppose and with catalyst, the activation energy is decreased to 70. And this is the activation energy. The catalyst with catalyst equilibrium reach in less time. So with catalyst, the suppose this is a reaction A is converting into B. So here without catalyst, equilibrium achieved at very long time, suppose after 1 hour. But with catalyst, suppose with catalyst, the equilibrium achieved at 20 minutes, after 20 minutes. So with catalyst, the equilibrium achieved at less time. It increased the rate of chemical reaction. Suppose uh, the catalyst increased the rate of chemical reaction. It speed up the chemical reaction. For example, hydrogen and oxygen give us water, but without catalyst, it is very slow process. With catalyst, it is fast process. So catalyst increase the rate of chemical reaction. A catalyst has high specific surface area. Usually for activated carbon it is about 1300 square meter per gram. Sometimes it is 500 square meter per gram. So we can change the specific surface area of catalyst by some activation or by adding some chemical reagents or with acid base, etc. We can with acid based and with some activation we can increase the specific surface area of catalyst. And specific surface area is nothing but it is the surface area of 1 gram catalyst. So how much area will present in 1 gram catalyst? This is the specific surface area. So it is high specific surface area. Due to high specific surface area, it is usually used in the heterogeneous reactions. It is high for volume, it is high for diameter. So with the help of 4 volume and 4 diameter, we can prepare various different chemical products with the help of catalyst. Now there are two type of catalyst. One is the supported catalyst, and the second one is unsupported catalyst. In the supported catalyst, a support is present. This is support, and on the support we have active sites. These are the active sites. We have active sites. For example, for the reaction of the for the reaction in the sulfuric acid preparation process, we combine sulfur dioxide with the oxygen gas to produce sulfur trioxide gas. So this reaction is taking place with the help of catalyst, which is vanadium pentaoxide. So and the vanadium pentaoxide is the active sites, and this vanadium pentoxide is present on a support of silica. So this is silica is support. This is silica, and on silica we have active sites of vanadium pentoxide. These are the vanadium pentoxide. So usually the reaction take place on this active sites. Here the sulfur dioxide react with oxygen and it gives us sulfur trioxide on this active site and in this on this active site. So here this is the support and this is the active site. So the reaction taking place on this active site. This is the supported catalyst. Now the unsupported catalyst, there is only active sites and there is no support. So for example, ammonia oxidation process. In the ammonia oxidation process, we use the platinum gas, which is unsupported catalyst. So this is a type of unsupported catalyst. So these active sites are nothing but these are the active molecules or active atoms which are present on the catalyst. So suppose this is a catalyst and this is a site. This is also catalyst. This is site. So this is support. Suppose this is catalyst and this is the active site. So here the reaction take place on this active site, similarly on this active site. So these are the active sites and this is the support. So this is the supported catalyst. Now the unsupported catalyst, there are only active sites, so the reaction will take place on this active site. There is no support. So there are two types, supported catalyst and unsupported catalyst. Thank you very much for your attention. In the coming lecture, we will discuss about the physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. Thank you very much for your attention.